Understanding aids to navigation is just as important as understanding street signs and road markings on roadways. It's important to know these common regulatory and hazard buoys to stay safe on the water. These buoys are orange and white, with a symbol to alert boaters. A diamond alerts boaters of a hazard, such as a rock or other obstruction. A circle indicates areas with restricted operation, such as no wake zone or speed limit. A diamond with a cross designates areas where boats are prohibited, such as a swim area. A square provides helpful information such as directions, distances, and locations, like a gas dock or boat ramp. Also, be on the lookout for black and white buoys. These mark dangers such as shallow areas or rocks. A boat should never pass through a group of these buoys or pass between the buoys and shore. You may also encounter a black buoy with a red band, which may have a white flashing light. This would indicate an isolated danger that may be passed on all sides. Use caution when approaching. White and blue buoys may be cylinder or sphere shapes that indicate where mooring or tying up is allowed. Check your local waters to see which are public versus private.